Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Dancehall news and reviews. I'm here telling the people a day 2 update of the hearings them. What we are talking about Vybz Kartel and him co-accuse them. Will they be acquitted or will they be a retrial? That we are wait upon. And guess what? A Friday I come at the last day of the hearings them, you know. But we don't know if we're going to get a ruling Friday or the following week. But we know say a Friday the hearings them are end. I'm here telling you say it was a good day for Vybz Kartel and his co-accused them, you know. It was a good day. Why me I say that? Hold on them, man. We are going to get to that. I mean, the judge point out say the prosecution better show reasons as to why they want a retrial. And that a go on, for what a go on. But we are going to get to that. People, we see the Jamaica Star put out an article, a headline where it say Vybz Kartel and make the judge know say here what go on. A 17 dependents me have, you know. A retrial I gonna hurt me dependents them, you know. And that a go on, for what a go on. A 17 people a depend for me, you know. Talking about woman Grand Pitney and all sorts of thing, you know. A whole heap of people a depend for Vybz Kartel. You see it? Differently still, you know, people. In that case, yeah, as somebody craziest madness me ever hear in my life, you know. When since a court care about how many dependents you have and how it a go hurt your pocket. When a judge a say, yeah, we go on $2 million bail, $1 million bail, you think them care if you can or cannot afford it? Once them slap you with a bail, you have to go figure that out. Them even care if you can afford an attorney. When them tell you say, if you can't afford one will be granted to you. And that them a make you know say, watch on man, trial for go on. Nobody now quit or let nobody off just because them not have the money or it's gonna be a strain on the family. Me never hear them the case there before, but hey, arguments have to be made. So the man have 17 dependent, and guess what? Me a scratch me head see and we say about Vybz Kartel. You're a big artist, you're rich. Remember good enough. Even though him they behind bars, him a make whole heap of money. Music a make whole heap of money, millions. Or you think him a afford them big top attorneys year after year after year? It's going on 13 years since the man da prison, you know, people. And he has been able to take care of his 17 dependents. Well, he had a few on it, you know, the Grand Pitney them over the years. But the point is this, he has been able to not only take care of them, but manage a substantial and massive legal bill. So the fact that he has been able to do all of that, a retrial, that I know nothing. I mean, just continue to do what you've been doing, right? What I'm saying might sound a bit harsh, but the reality is this, the justice system not supposed to care if it hurt your dependents them or not. Them not supposed to pray that. That's not supposed to be a part of any conversation. A lot of these things that they're bringing up, how is that a part of the conversation? Well, my dependents, them a go struggle if it figure a retrial. Just like Sean Storm's sister say, them not have the money if you afford a retrial. Me I say, brother, but that no matter. That no matter to the system. Is either the man them guilty or not guilty. Is either the prosecution believe them can actually win the case or not. That is what determines if they're going forward or not. Do they have a strong enough case? Do they have a good case? It's not about them health or them financial situation, them family a ball. None of that not supposed to matter. Is the case strong enough? Are the case we supposed to talk about? Are the case we supposed to look on? Why we are here about grandmother, Pitney, this a person, that the person, how them feel, how it affect them? What about the evidence? What about the case? Does the prosecution have a strong enough case? Yes or no? Incarcerated entertainer Adidja Vybz Kartel Palmer has complained that a new trial would hamper his ability to provide for his 17 dependents. Attorney argues breach of fair trial rights in Kartel co-accused murder case. Kingston, Jamaica. Attorney at law John Clark, representing co-accused Kyera Jones in the Vybz Kartel and others retrial hearing in the Court of Appeal, argued against a retrial, citing breaches of their constitutional rights. Clark contended that his clients, along with the others, had their rights to a fair trial violated on 2 counts: their entitlement to a fair hearing within a reasonable time and their right to be heard by an independent and impartial court. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a bit thrown off right here. Their entitlement to a fair hearing within a reasonable time and their right to be heard by an independent and impartial court. I'm a bit confused. I'm stunned. That argument on that whole water. All that whole water, people, were they denied a speedy trial? Did they request a speedy trial and did not get it? I'm confused. And then the matter about impartial court, me no know how that makes sense, because at the end of the day, what transpired was prosecution and defense and judge agreed to go forward. So all that was a violation on the court when the actual defense say, yeah, go forward. That never makes sense. That no make no sense. How is this an argument? If the defense, if there's is there in the letters anything to say that the defense was arguing against this and they went forward same way? Then we'd say, yo, for real, you know, the defense say mistrial. The defense say them don't want to go forward and y'all push this forward. Then them have a strong argument right there, sir. But we not see none of that. So it's just conjecture, but we have to just slow that because arguments have to be made. Section 16.2 of the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms in the Constitution of Jamaica states that in the determination of a person's civil rights and obligations or of any legal proceedings which may result in a decision adverse to his interest, he shall be entitled to a fair hearing within a reasonable time by an independent and impartial court or authority established by law. Now here is the thing, ladies and gents. It's up to the prosecution to argue against this and present a substantial argument against this. And if Claudia Thompson fails to do this, simply means that she's weak. You see me? Because I am 100% positive that Paula would have presented a great argument. So this is an eye-opener, because remember, them try to remove the DPP, Paula Llewellyn, before this hearing. So that tell me say something fishy from the get-go. So if Claudette now go hard, if Claudette not presenting a good case, then guess what? Yeah, we smell something afoot. Yeah, something fishy. But hold up, we have to make it play out. We not judge her to her shit, you know. We are going to see how she present her case, how she deliver that skeleton argument in person. We are going to see what Claudia Thompson a do for this country. We are going to see how she represent the people. Because remember, you know, for those who forgot, for those who not get it through them thick head, the prosecution represents the people, not the government. The prosecution represents the people of Jamaica, not the government of Jamaica. They represent the people, the public. I know say enough people don't realize that, because them things say, oh, it's a partisan, it's a party business. No, the prosecution is the public. You see me? Yeah. But then again, I wonder if it actually in the title, DPP. Yeah, public prosecution. Yeah, DPP. You see me? I say Department of Public Prosecution. No, not public. No, it means that them a prosecute the public. Yeah, that it mean. Hey, it's funny to me, you know. Boy, John, we are gonna really need some comprehension, you know. The people them are gonna need to start read and understand, you know. Them can't just read, you know, and it a fly through one ears, you know. Them are gonna need to have some comprehension, you know. John, no star. Me have to laugh with the people, me have to laugh, because a bag of people, a bag of vloggers, a bag of entertainers, I try and make it look like, say, the government versus Vybz Kartel, when it's the people, the prosecution, the people of Jamaica against Vybz Kartel for the crime he committed, allegedly committed against the people of Jamaica, the laws of the country, the constitution, the legal system. But then again, you might not realize that because he's a famous person and entertainer, so it look like, say, oh, are the government or the system versus him, not remembering it's the people against Vybz Kartel. Just remember that. Clark further argued that a retrial should not occur if it puts the accused in a worse off position than before, and warned that their rights were likely to be violated again if a retrial proceeded. I say, what? Hold on them, man. What kind of dirty style that? But hey, lawyers have to be lawyers. Them have to defend them client. Brother, go on with yourself. Chat where you have to chat. You see me I say, if the prosecution can't counter what you say, then demand them for walk free. Because if the DPP, the acting DPP, can't shoot down them frivolous argument, yeah, then she not deserve to be no DPP. She should be behind bars. Justice Marvin McDonald Bishop questioned the necessity validity of the retrial, noting that the Apex Court already found a constitutional breach. Why are we here? McDonald Bishop inquired. What remedy do you give those persons if their constitutional rights have been breached twice? She continued. I hope y'all notice she said if. She didn't say it was breach. She said if. You see me? You have to pay attention to the wording. She's not saying any rights were breached, but she noted that the Privy Council cited a constitutional breach in terms of the juror. Not saying the prosecution or the judge did anything wrong. However, they cited the jury misconduct. So that did happen. McDonald Bishop noted that the Crown will have to explain to the court why in the light of two breaches there should be a retrial. So right there, so ladies and gents, as I said, Cartel had a good day in court because the judge has said basically the prosecution, the Crown have to go present a strong case as to why two breaches could have happened and no one to actually have a retrial, all that balance out, all that fear. So the prosecution have to go come with that power presentation, have to go come with some substantive argument to actually make the judge them aware of what actually transpired and why they should actually have a retrial. Them have to go break it down step by step and show the judge them what go on. But so far, it looking good for Vybz Kartel them. Because if the acting DPP does not do a good job, I am telling you, them are going to walk free. If the acting DPP folly or drop the ball, them money are walk free. I mean, it's a no bueno, but you never know. Acting DPP, I don't know. Is she legit? I don't know. Is she gonna do her job properly? I don't know. Is she a puppet? I don't know. But these are things we have to wonder. You see, around here saying people, we're not afraid to ask the tough questions, them, you know. We're not afraid to step out, bold and talky things, them, you know. We're not hide, you know. Member good, you know. You don't know who I talk to, you know. I mean, I hide and talk. So we are deliver the information and I deal with it straight up. We're not afraid to be impartial. You see me? If the man them for walk, them are gonna walk. If they're to be retried, they're gonna be retried. We they are so break down the things step by step and give the people them information. Also note, the information coming out of the court is very, very vague. We notice it's just enough for an headline. So the Jamaica Star, Observer, Nationwide, Gleaner, they're putting out just enough information for a headline. But them not actually put out detailed information from the actual hearing. Them a put out little snippet. I mean, them a put out four lines and one paragraph and two paragraph out of the court, you know. Member good, you know, a whole day a hearing and them a put out one paragraph and one line and two line. And then them a recite everything that took place over how many years ago. That's what they're filling up these articles with. So that me wonder some of my time, like say, hold on, them no want too much of the information in the public. Did the judge instruct them not to actually publicize the case too much? I don't know, but it look away. Why aren't we getting full disclosure out of the court? Why are we getting bits and pieces here and there? For example, this article right here. School is over. We are now in court, says judge on day 2 of Kartel's retrial hearing. Like, what? What kind of headline that? What kind of headline? Are that the headline coming out of the court? Are that you actually a highlight? Are that you actually a put out? Oh, school over. We're in court now. Okay, let's get serious now. I mean, Jesus Christ, a baby know that. You think court a joke place? Judges are scary. It no matter how much you talk and you say, yo, me I go say this in a court and me I go say this in a court and me I go give this a info ya. When you go in front of the judge, you're a different ball game. Judges are scary. People, me go in front judges before and me I say to myself, me I go say this and me I go say that. You see when me reach in at the court and them let you in and this and that. One time me show up a court, you know, people in a rip pants, in a rip pants, in a rip jeans, you know, no shirt, no tucky, nothing, you know. And them a tell me say, hold on man, tucky in this and you don't have no different pants and where. Me I say, John, no, me I deal with Jamaica court like a foreign court me there. When me wear anything go in. Like Jamaica different, you have to tuck in your shirt and you have to look a certain way and yo, like a church you go, you have to carry yourself a certain way. And me I say, okay. Then now me go in front of the judge and everything what me did have in mind, all the rehearsing what me did do. When when me go in front of the judge, all of that fly out. Because guess what? Them not allow you to talk. Them not allow you to say what you want to say. Them will ask you a question and you have to answer the question them directly. So you're responding based on what they're asking. So all of what you plan to say, none of that not really relevant if them not ask you a question pertaining to that. I mean, I tell you to say, yeah, me kind of rough up the judge, the last judge a little bit, but I just because me bad like that. You see it? I joke me I make man, but me kind of while her up still because I had to travel and she asked me if I come a court, and when me come a court, like before my flight, like 2 hours before my flight, me actually I leave court. You see, me almost miss my flight because she begged me for come a court, and you mean for tell me say the thing delay and then postpone again. Me say, judge, really? You cause me major inconvenience. Me check her upon it, but here we go on. She apologized and explained the situation to me that the individual, their lawyer of a kid was having an open heart surgery. So basically, you have some serious things, and she make me know say if it wasn't for that reason, if it wasn't confirmed and valid, she would have make everything proceed. But she make me know say, yo, we have to put it off because of this and that and that. And I just have to hold it like a G because me dark out because I want my money too. A long time I wait for my money. That boy they hold on for my money all long. And I fight the case. I know I'm wrong, but that I say I got some my time. Who me for me things and won't pay me. But hey, that are that people. So me I tell you no, I have been in front of judges and I know you say to yourself, say you gonna say this and you gonna say that. But once you step foot in at the courtroom, a different ball game, man. Where's the judge them stern and them serious and them not take no chatting. Justice Marvin McDonald Bishop gave a stern warning as day 2 of Vybz Kartel and his co-accused retrial hearings got underway Tuesday morning. School is over. We are now in court. McDonald Bishop told the court. No. School over. Class out. We in a court now. The thing serious. A big people game. This a big ball game. We are now in the big leagues, people. The thing serious. She not upon a joke thing. And what that mean, people? That means the lawyer them better take the thing serious and deliver them argument. We are now judges and you are now lawyers. This is no joke. McDonald Bishop continued, advising the lawyers to be intentional in their presentations. McDonald Bishop added, this case is set to end on Friday. We cannot go any further than Friday. Alright. So everybody have to be on point. You see me, them P's and Q's have to be up. This is no joke. You have to take it thing serious because this thing now go past Friday. You see me? All our arguments have to be presented between now and Friday. Because once Friday done, they say it done. Alright, they say it a restart. As far as the retrial would have go. A big ball game, people. So there you have it. All in all, it was a good day for Vybz Kartel and his co-accused them. As me say, the judge make the prosecution know say, yeah man, the ball in a year court. So what y'all gonna do with it? Make sure say you forward out with some good reasoning, some good argument. I mean, ladies and gents, don't get it twisted, you know. All of these information were already presented in the skeleton arguments. All of these information, the prosecution was privy to everything the defense was going to say. All of these arguments were made in the skeleton argument. And the prosecution also made their response in their skeleton argument to the defense skeleton argument. And the judges have all of those, multiple copies for each judges and everything. So all of the information actually in writing. So I like say we are going to hear some new intel or whatever. The prosecution already know what the defense did go come with, so them have to have a good argument. And if them never have a good argument, them should have just stand at them yard. You understand? Stay at your yard. Don't come if you don't have no good argument. That a go on, pan what a go on. So people, as me say, all in all, it was a good day for Vybz Kartel and the co-accused them. Wanna drop some comments? Make me know what I say. How is it going? Are you team Vybz Kartel, team sheep? Me know not go on say that, but team Vybz Kartel or not? Drop some comments. Make me know how I perceive this thing. How no see it actually playing out. Drop on a comment, drop on the predictions. You see me day 3 starting. Yeah, today day 3 I start. Cause it depends on what time I drop the video you still, you know. Cause I'm recording it the day before, but you don't know YouTube go already. Me have a video on the channel already I go and run. So I might make it run for a few more hours, or I might just make it run through the night and drop this video in at the early AM, probably like, 5, 6, 7, them time there. I'll see how it actually play out. So blessings and respect to everybody that's subscribing to the channel. Dancehall News and Reviews. Make sure now sub. Make sure now hit the notification bell, because you have to actually subscribe and select the all button. You click the bell and you select all. So you have to, because enough people now get no notification, but you actually have to check in on the channel manually. Every day content drops, so you just have to check in manually. Big up on yourself, love and respect. You see me, a captain of the Vulture Squad I talk to, and I'm out.